name is Rishika. I am from BBA 6th batch 1. First of all, I would like to thank Niti sir for giving me this opportunity to present on a certain topic. So my topic for the presentation is value of risk. So value of risk is defined as the predicted worst case loss at a specific confidence level over a certain period of time, assuming normal trading conditions. VAR is a statistic that quantifies the extent of possible financial level at over a specific period of time. So let's know about how it is calculated. So there are three approaches to calculate VAR. First one is correlation method, second is historical simulation, and third one is Monte Carlo simulation. Let's understand all three in detail. So the first one is the correlation method. Under this, the change in the value of the position is calculated by combining the sensitivity of each component of price changes in underlying asset. It is a deterministic approach. Second one is historical simulation. This approach calculates the change in the value of position using the actual historical movement of the assets. Monte Carlo simulation. The Monte Carlo simulation calculates the change in the value of a portfolio using a sample of randomly generated price strength. Thank you.